Hello, my name is Johannes Eschenauer, and I would just shortly explain you what solution we have for the Gigafactories. Hitachi is a manufacturer with a lot of solution analysis equipment which you can use in Gigafactories. We have, for example, X-ray particle contaminant analyzer, which helps you to understand the size and contaminants. We also have so-called OES equipment, optical emission spectrometers, which help you to analyze your incoming materials, like even frames for the cars or for the battery housings itself. We have XRF equipment in handheld. We have benchtop equipment. We have so-called coating thickness equipment, which is also part of the manufacturing and quality solutions inside Gigafactories. Thermal analyzers could help you to understand your thermal problems you have inside your equipment as well. And LIBS, which is called laser-induced breakdown systems, which can help. So the Hitachi Group is basically a unique cutting-edge technology company with dual manufacturing and trading functions. We provide solutions ranging from devices to materials for R&D, manufacturing, inspection, and many other settings in the value chain. So whenever you have a problem within your quality solutions and your testing solutions inside your Gigafactory, come and talk to us.